the input data. Input data can be a voice, it can be the data in form of message, it can be image. As we already know, the computer, if is connected to any of the communication system, the output of computer is data, binary data, that is 0 and 1 form. If voice is there, a mic is connected, the mic input receives a voice 0 to 4 kHz. If camera is input, then a image which may be in the frequency band of 5 MHz, then converted to digital, and again it is in terms of pixels is given as input data. So this input data, if it is 1, here it is written 101010. If it is a single subscriber, the data may correspond to only one subscriber. If it is more than one subscriber, then it is a big problem. If single subscriber is there, then the input is connected to low frequency device or maybe a digital device, or it may be analog to digital conversion. And then the transmitter, if you see transmitter circuitry, it is not only one block, it may have 3-4 stages, depending on the requirement. So transmitter output is connected to light source. These light source, as we already know, can be LED, can be a laser, depending on again the what sort of intensity we require. So the output of light source is light. So light characterization we must know. How can we characterize light? Similarly, the transmitter circuitry will have output in terms of electrical form, which will becomes as a driver to the light source, and accordingly the light source output will be coupled to a fiber optic cable. Now this fiber optic cable can be a standalone, can be multiples. That again depends on the requirement of the user. So here there are two junctures. The input data, if it is single, there is no problem, it can travel and it can reach to the destination. The output of optical fiber, which is again connected to a detector. Detector will be able to recognize the output in terms of light. So light is input to detector and it will give as a electrical output to receiver circuitry, because the receiver circuitry is again electrical in nature. So the characterization of detector is required, that in receive part the output of optical cable coupled to detector, whether it is able to identify the output of cable or not will depend on the sensitivity of the detector. Basically the detector output will go to receiver circuitry, and receiver circuitry requires sufficient